Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make beer braised carnitas. Whether you eat it on tacos or burritos, it's sure to be delicious. This is super easy to make, and boy is it tasty. It'll be the best taco of your life. Start with a 5-pound pork butt or shoulder roast. And then I'm gonna take a sharp knife and cut off 1/4-inch thick strips. And we'll end up with a whole huge pile. The best part about this is that the butchering doesn't matter at all, so you can do a total hack job. The reason why we're cutting it into smaller pieces is it's so the meat can have direct access to the spices. Plus, it cooks faster too. Get about a tablespoon of vegetable oil heating in a pot over medium-high heat. Make sure it's an oven-safe pot because we're gonna be sliding this into the oven to finish braising. So you want to add in all of your meat and get it searing in the pot in the vegetable oil. You want to get the meat browned on all sides. We're also going to add in some seasonings, starting with a tablespoon of ground cumin, and then 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, a teaspoon of cayenne, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. And keep searing this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Pour in 12 ounces of Mexican beer, which will be our braising liquid, and I'm using Dos Equis. Then add on 1 sliced orange. Orange is a regional addition to carnitas, and boy is it delicious. And we'll pop a lid on. Then we're gonna pop this in a 350-degree oven for 2 to 2.5 hours until the meat shreds easily with a fork. After 2 or so hours in the oven, you'll want to remove your orange slices, and it's okay if some of the fruit stays in, but you want to remove all of the peels. And then the meat should be tender enough that you can shred it easily with a fork. Now the meat's totally edible just like this. You can just strain out the liquids and serve it, or if you want to make traditional carnitas, you want to crisp them up. We're going to crisp them in 3 batches, so you want to just pour in about a tablespoon of vegetable oil into the skillet and get it heating over medium-high heat. Then we'll add in some of the meat and get it crisping. Let it fry in the oil until it's crisp, which will take 3 to 5 minutes. And then you are ready to eat. I'm gonna serve mine up on tacos because, hello, who doesn't like tacos? Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.